Fritz Chantilly here. We're at the home of the winner of the Ugliest Bathroom Contest. She won $25,000. Let's go see if we can find Jennifer. Hello, I'm looking for Jennifer.
Oh, Jennifer.
Hi, Jennifer. Fritz Chantilly from Comfort Windows and Baths. How are you?
Good, I'm doing good.
By any chance, did you enter a contest and win $25,000?
I sure did.
Guess what?
What?
You're a winner!
No way!
Yes!
Oh,
$25,000!
$25,000.
You just won the bathroom of your dreams. Congratulations!
The house was built in 1959, so there was really, I don't think, any type of renovation on the bathroom since then. So it had been a long, long time. The renovation feels like a brand new home, a whole new space. The bathroom is very, very, very modern, from just the layout to the colors. The accessibility, I think, has been fabulous. The Comfort team made the whole process easy. The new bathroom design totally feels clean, functional, and modern. It's so accessible, so convenient, and again, it's just so spacious. Like, everything is right there. I would totally recommend Comfort Windows and Comfort Bath. Even if you don't know totally what you want, they are very accommodating, very, very helpful. They'll sit down with you and answer all your questions or help you make your space what you want it to be. I'm really grateful for Comfort Windows and Doors.